Maybe first of all, I take this opportunity to thank everyone, especially I'm reminded of there's only two events in our lives that everyone, all walks of life come together, the funeral and the wedding. And this is a special occasion in the sense that all walks of life are connected here. And even though we have different upbringing, even though we have different family backgrounds and belief and whatever, but we share one same God.
Amen.
And I stand before you thanking everyone. I may not mention you by name, those that are connected to me spiritually and blood-wise, my sister, my brother-in-law, my nephew, my board and my senior pastor that is here, and also from Peter's family side, everyone that is here. I would like to take this time to thank you guys for coming out and making this occasion, this day, very special to us. And the only thing I can tell you is, o malama pe ai otoa. Ai otoa tau I o otoa mo ui I kai mane. And that's the only thing that I can encourage you with. You may want to know the family been talking how where did you meet this Lema Tua prince? Where did you
We're dying to find out.
So the only thing I can encourage you, all I prayed about was God, you give me a tahine. I never said what grace or what how tall, what how old. I just said, give me a tahine that I will never date. Alupe Leman. That's
You're crazy in our family. Okay, crazier than our crazy.
So all the singles here, you come to me for advice. Amen. That's how everything happened. I think this happened through God. That's it. I asked God, give me a tahine and I'm going to date. I'm tired of dating. I felt like it there, Io baby died and Io for the family, that's it. And that was how all was history. That's what I bring to you on the table today. I bring a God I serve in a God that is alive. That's it. Where we are today, all the family and everything is through God, nothing else, bringing us together. And so, I thank you guys. My heart goes out to you from my family, my side of the family. My church goes out to everyone from Peter's side of the family. Thank you very much for making this day a special day to us. And all I ask of you, just keep us in your prayer list. When you have your family, put Eddie and Tita, that's all. Tita and Eddie in your prayer list, because all we need from you is prayer for both of us. And we will see you on the 6th of Jan, where we will make that vow till death, like what Pastor Patrick said, death tears us apart. So thank God for everything. Thank you guys. I love you all.
Love you, Eddie.
And also my family. May God bless you as we enjoy this day. And all glory and honor be His and His own.